problem. So the third problem is there are 4,550 students in a school. If the number of boys is 2,429, find the number of girls. So children, read the problem once again. There are 4,550 students in a school. So what is the total strength of this school? So 4,550. That means the total number of students in a school are 4,550. If the number of boys is 2,429, that means among all the students, the number of boys are 2,429. Then what we have to find in this problem? Find the number of girls. So they have given number of boys and now we have to find number of girls in that school. So how can we get the number of girls? Either addition or subtraction. So children, so once if you understand this, the total number of students are 4,550. Among those total number of students, the number of boys are 2,429. So then how many girls will be there? So if you take away the boys, among all the students, then there will be girls. So take away means subtraction. So if you want to get girls from the total students, we have to take away boys among all the students. So if you take away all the boys, then who will be there? There will be girls in that school. So take away means subtraction. We have to do subtraction here. So what we have to do subtraction? We have to subtract number of boys from the total students. So if we take away boys from the total students, then there will be remaining girls. So here we have to do subtraction. So let us start the answer solution. So write the steps for this problem first. So we have to write steps for this word problem. So for every word problem, we have to write steps and we have to solve the problem. Now, what is the total students? Total number of students. Total number of students is equal to, so how many students are there? So there are 4,550 students are there. So total number of students is equal to 4,550. Next, what we have given in the problem next? They have given number of boys. So total number of boys is equal to, children, how many boys are there? There are 2,429 boys are there. So total number of boys are 2,429. Now what we have to find in this problem? We have to find total number of girls. So how will we get? So we will get the total number of girls. So by subtraction. So we have to do subtraction here. So write the greatest number first and the smallest number next. So write these two numbers one below another and do the subtraction. So what is the greatest number? 4,550 is the greatest number. Write the next number below it. What is the next number? 2,429. That means we are subtracting number of boys from the total number of students. So now do the subtraction here. So put the symbol minus. Minus means subtraction. And also write places for it. So this is ones place, this is a tens place, and 5 and 4 are present in hundreds place, 4 and 2 are present in thousands place. So now do the subtraction, then we will get a total number of girls in that school. So let us start subtraction from ones place. So what are the digits present in ones place? 0 and 9. Subtract 9 from 0. Is it possible? Can we subtract 9 from 0? No, because 0 is a smaller number, 9 is greater number. We cannot subtract greater number from smaller number. Then what we have to do? We have to get borrow from its next place. What is its next place? Tens. How many tens are there? 5. So there are 5 tens. among 5 tens, borrow 1 ten. If you borrow 1 ten, how many tens will be there? 4 tens will be there. So write 4 in tens place. So now carry that 1 ten to the ones place. So if 10 is carried to ones place, it will become how many ones? 10 ones. So if you carry 1 ten to the tens place, it will become 10 ones. So write it there. So simply you have to write 1 before the digit already present in that place. So here already there is 0. If you just put 1, then it will become 10. If there is 2, just put 1, then it becomes 12. If there is 4, just write 1, it will become 14. In this way, we can simply write it. So now do the subtraction. The first number is 9, 10, and the next number is 9. So open 10 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 fingers. So what is the second number in one's place? 9. Among these 10 fingers, close 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Children, I have closed 9 fingers. How many fingers are there? There is remaining 1 finger. So write 1 under 1's place. Now go to 10's place. What are the digits present in 10's place? 4 and 2 are present in 10's place. What is the first number? 4. So open 4 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the second number here? In 10's place, the second number is 2. So among these 4 fingers, close 2 fingers. 1, 2. How many fingers are there? 1, 2. So there are 2 fingers. Write 2 here. Next, go to 100's place. What is the first digit in 100's place? 5. So open 5 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the second number? 4. Among these 5 fingers, close 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have closed 4 fingers. How many fingers are there remaining? There is only 1 finger. Write 1 under 100's place. Now go to 1000's place. So what is the first digit in 1000's place? 4. Again open 4 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 fingers. What is the second number in 1000's place? 2. So among these 4 fingers, close the 2 fingers. So children, how many fingers are there remaining? 1, 2. So write 2 under 1000's place. So children, the answer is 2121. So the number of girls in that school are 2121. So number of girls, that means total number of girls. Number of girls is equal to 2121. So in this way we can find the total number of girls from the total students in that school. Now go to next problem. Find the difference between largest and the smallest of 4-digit numbers formed using the digits 2, 5, 7, 0. Each digit should be used once only. So children, so there are given 4 digits. 2, 5, 7, 4 digits given. What are they? 2, 5, 7 and 0. Now first we have to form the largest number using these 4 digits. And next we have to form the smallest number by using these 4-digit numbers. Then we have to subtract the smallest number from the largest number. Then we will get the answer for this problem. So children, how to form the largest number and smallest number from the given digits? We have already learnt in the first chapter how to form the largest number and smallest number by using given digits. So just remember how we can form the largest number and smallest number by using the digits. So let us see once again. Let us recall how to form largest number and how to form smallest number using the given digits. So see the solution. So given digits are, so first step is given digits. So what are the given digits? So 2, 5, 7 and 0. So children, these are the 4 digits given in the problem. So now what we have to do? So first we have to form the largest number by using these 4 digits. We have to form largest 4-digit number. That is largest number is equal to. So largest number. How we will get largest number? So simply we have to arrange these digits in descending order. If we arrange these digits in descending order, we will get largest number. So descending order means largest to smallest. That means greatest to smallest. So now arrange these digits from greatest to smallest. So what is the greatest digit among these? So among these 4 digits, what is the greatest digit? 7. So write 7 first. And after 7, what is the greatest digit? 5. So write 5 next. And after 5, what is the greatest? 2. So write 2. And finally there will be 0. So write 0 at last. So children, so this is the largest 4-digit number which is formed by using 4 digits. That is 7520 is the largest number. So how can we get largest number? Just we have to arrange the given digits from greatest to smallest. That is, we have to arrange the digits in descending order. Next, write the smallest number. Smallest number. How can we get smallest number? With the help of given digits. Again, we have to arrange these digits from smallest to greatest. That means smallest to greatest means ascending order. Arrange these 4 digits in ascending order, then we will get smallest number. So write ascending order. So ascending order means smallest to greatest. Among these 4 digits, which is the smallest digit? 0. But if any number starts with 0, it has no meaning. That means any number should not start with 0. So if 0 is present in the given digits, the 0 should be written in the second place. Now, what we have to write first? So, the next number, the next smallest number after 0. What is the next smallest after 0? 2. So, write 2 in the first place and 0 in the second place. So, children, do you understand? So, if 0 is present in the given digits, while writing ascending order, 0 should not be written in the first. Because any number should not start with 0. That's why write 0 in the second place and write the next number of 0 in the first place. So next, what is the smallest number after 2? So the smallest digit after 2 is 5. So write 5 here. Next, what is the smallest one? 7. So 2057 is the smallest 4-digit number which is formed with 4 digits. So children, up to now we have formed largest number and smallest number by using given 4 digits. Now what we have to find? We have to find the difference. Difference means subtraction. So now subtract the smallest number from the largest number. So now subtract smallest number from the largest number. So now subtract. So here we have to subtract this 2057 from 7520. So if you subtract, we will get the difference. So these are in ones place, 2 and 5 are in tens place, 5 and 0 are present in hundreds place, 7 and 2 are present in thousands place. So now do the subtraction. So let us start subtraction from ones place. So what are the digits present in ones place? 0 and 7 are present in ones place. So we cannot subtract 7 from 0 because 7 is greater, 0 is the smaller. We cannot subtract greater from the smaller. Now what we have to do? We have to get borrow from its next place. What is its next place? Tens place. So get borrow from the tens place. So how many tens are there? There are 2 tens are there. 2 tens are there. So among 2 tens, get borrow 1 ten. So now get borrow 1 ten. If you get borrow 1 ten from these 2 tens, how many tens will be there? There will be remaining 1 tens. And if you carry the 1 ten to the ones place, then how many ones will be there? So there will be 10 ones. Write 10. So now do the subtraction. Now subtraction is possible. So what is the greatest number? First number here 10. What is the small second number? 7. So open 10 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 7 fingers. What is the second number here? 7. So close 7 fingers among these 10 fingers. So close 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So children, how many fingers are there remaining? 1, 2, 3. So there are remaining 3 fingers. Write 3 under 1 space. So children, next go to tens place. What are the digits in tens place? 1 and 5. Now subtract 5 from 1. You cannot subtract 5 from 1 because 5 is the greater, 1 is the smaller. Now what we have to do? Again we have to get borrow. We have to get borrow from its next place. What is its next place? 5. How many hundreds are there? 5 hundreds are there. So get borrow 100 from 5 hundreds. If you get borrow 100 from 5 hundreds, how many hundreds will be there? 4 hundreds will be there. And carry 100 to the tens place. If you carry 100 to the tens place, how many hundreds will be there? There will be 11 hundreds. So simply write 1 before the digit already present in the place. There is already 1 10, and if we add 10 tens, so there is already 1 10. If we add 10 tens, total become 11 tens. So simply write 1 before the digit already present. The digit already present is 1. Simply write 1 before it. That becomes 11 tens. Now do the subtraction. How many tens are there? 11 tens are there. So now subtract 5 from 11, and we cannot open 11 fingers. So that's why draw 11 lines in your notebook in the rough work. So draw 11 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And strike off 5 lines among these 11 lines. Now strike off 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Children, I have strike off 5 lines. Count the remaining lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So children, there are remaining 6 lines are there. Write 6 under tens space. Next go to hundreds place. 4 and 0 are present in hundreds place. Subtract 0 from 4. So if we subtract 0 from any number, again we will get same number. So write 4. Next go to thousands place. So 7 and 2 are present in thousands place. First number is 7. Open 7 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 fingers. Now children, what is the second number? 2. So among these 7 fingers, close 2 fingers. 1, 2. So children, how many fingers are there remaining? Remaining there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 under thousands place. So the answer is 5,463. So the difference of largest number and smallest number of these 4 digit numbers is 5,463. So children, in this way we can practice some word problems on subtraction, and there are some more problems in this exercise 3.6. Practice those remaining problems at your home in the PDF you have provided.